All the cabinets were delivered. So you can see there's a pretty good number of them. This is the bar. This is where the stove is going to be. There's a range hood above that. That is a double wall oven. And then next to that is going to be open space where that cabinet goes, and the fridge over in the corner. There's a tall cabinet there, and then a smaller cabinet that goes here. Then there are cabinets that are going to go into the nook over the radiator. These black cabinets are actually for the laundry room. So when this kitchen is set up, then we'll take apart this kitchen, tile the floor, and then put in the new cabinets. Then the fire suppression people are putting in their stuff. There's a sprinkler head here. Here, there, in the bedroom. There's a sprinkler head here in the bathroom. So I guess that the pipe came up in the wall here somewhere, but that works fine. So this is where it was going to come up, but I guess they did it in the next wall over. There's a different angle on the kitchen. Cell phone camera, so not a wide angle. And that is where we had it before. They made the connection there. So the pipe is going up through the wall there. So that works out good. Then we have the pipe going through here. Hi, Captain. Hey, buddy. Sprinkler head here. Sprinkler head up there next to the light. And then here. So then I guess what we're going to do is put light fixtures in those middle holes. Okay, so we have pretty good progress going here. There's the tile floor under the tarp. Here's the transition from tile to oak. So everything worked out really well. You see how we had to make a thinner, narrower piece of oak to start it off so that it would end up on the wall here. Okay, so I have to get going to the other job now. There are the pipes and wires for the island. I guess I can run down here and do this. We are not going to be doing the downstairs just yet because we tested the ceiling and it has asbestos in it. So you can see that there is a slope in the floor to the right. Drops down almost an inch there. Okay. So we had the ceiling tested here and it did have asbestos. So that all has to get removed. About 10 days before they do that. So the pipe is capped here. Sprinkler head here. Here. I don't think that shows up well. Remember, this was the laundry room. We had to do some cement work behind the laundry there. Previous video. Sprinkler head here. Couple of sprinkler heads in this room. And is there a sprinkler head in the bathroom? I guess not. Maybe the bathroom didn't need one. Yeah, so where is the island at? Right there. I'm going to take another, turn on the light.